Today, we're diving deep into the world of laundry, but with a twist. We're going to be crafting our own reusable fabric softener dryer sheets. Want to learn more? Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. To put it lightly, I'm not a big fan of doing laundry, even after figuring out ways to do it faster. To save money, I try to find ideas for household products. Because I want to save money on laundry, I make my own reusable fabric softener dryer sheets. The purpose of these reusable fabric softener dryer sheets is not only to save some money, but also cut back on harsh chemicals in your house. An added benefit, you get to recycle some of your old towels and t-shirts. Unfortunately, store-bought fabric softeners work by leaving a layer of chemicals on laundry items. Because vinegar acts as a natural fabric softener, you can rest easy knowing you are adding fewer chemicals to your clothes and saving money. The great thing about using vinegar as a natural fabric softener in homemade dryer sheets is that the vinegar smell goes away, but the fresh-smelling essential oil scents stay. So let's break down exactly what we need to get started. First, our old towels or t-shirts. We're giving those old, well-loved towels and t-shirts a second life. They are the perfect blank canvas for our dryer sheets. Think about those old t-shirts with a tiny hole or that towel that's seen better days. They're about to be reborn. Second ingredient is white vinegar. This is the magic ingredient that works wonders as a natural fabric softener. Don't worry, the vinegar smell won't linger, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and clean. Third ingredient are essential oils. This is where you get to unleash your inner scent. Choose your favorite scents like lavender, orange, lemon, or even mint. I personally love lavender, but feel free to experiment and find what makes you happy. Fourth ingredient is water. Just a little bit of water is all we need to help everything blend together. Last is mason jar. This is our storage solution for our fabric softener mixture and where our dryer sheets will soak up all that goodness. Before we continue to the step-by-step guide, don't forget to give us a like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also, don't forget the link in the description. Next is the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Fabric transformation. Grab those old towels or t-shirts and let's get cutting. We're aiming for pieces that are roughly the size of regular dryer sheets. You want them to fit comfortably in your dryer without being too bulky. Step 2. Mix it up. Grab your trusty mason jar and let's create our magic potion. Combine 3/4 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, and a few drops of your chosen essential oils. I usually start with 10 to 20 drops, but feel free to adjust this based on your personal scent preference. Give it a good shake to mix everything up and get that scent swirling. Step 3. Soak it up. Now it's time to add our fabric pieces to the mason jar. Make sure they're completely submerged in the solution. Give it another good shake to ensure all the fabric is soaked and ready to absorb that amazing scent. Step 4. Patience is key. Let your fabric soak for at least a few hours, or even overnight. This gives the solution time to fully saturate the fabric, ensuring those dryer sheets are packed with softening power. Step 5. Dry and enjoy. Once your fabric is fully soaked and ready to go, you're ready to try out your dryer sheets. Simply toss one into your dryer with each load of laundry. Extra tips. For liquid level. Adjust the amount of liquid in the mason jar depending on how much fabric you're using. You want to make sure everything is comfortably submerged. For scent boost, if you crave a stronger scent, feel free to add more essential oils. Just remember, a little goes a long way, so start with a few drops and add more if needed. Last tip is reusing for extra savings. After each use, you have two options. You can add the used fabric back into the mason jar with the solution, or store it separately for later use. By making your own reusable fabric softener dryer sheets, you're not only saving money, but you're also reducing waste and making your laundry routine a little bit more eco-friendly. It's a win-win-win. I hope you give this project a try. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite essential oil blend is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Also, don't forget the link in the description.